Hello, everyone. Kelly Kumalo's sister, Zandi Kumalo, has spoken out about her application request to bar the media from broadcasting her testimony during the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial last month. In an interview with the ENCA, she said that she was merely exercising her right as a state witness. She said, "This is a democratic country. I was just merely exercising my rights, and I feel that is why even the court took about 2 days for the plea. They found that it was actually within my rights to exercise that, and I don't know why now is it a hoo-ha that I exercise my rights, since this is a democratic country." Zandi was addressing the heavy backlash she received on social media following her request, which did not end up going her way, as Judge Chifiwa Maumela ruled that audio content will still be broadcasted. She went on to say, "My family and I, there's no platform we haven't been to, trying to explain exactly what happened, but it seems they choose to what to listen to and make their own decisions. So I was like, I don't owe anybody anything right now because they've had their chance, and now the only people that I need to testify to is just the court. Whether there is a camera there or not, I'm just there to testify, that's all." Meyiwa, who was an Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper, was gunned down in October 2014 in what was described as a botched robbery in the presence of his then girlfriend Kelly Kumalo, her mother Ntombi, Zandi Kumalo, Zandi's boyfriend Longwe Twala, and two Meyiwa's friends, Ntokozisi Twala and Tumelo Madlala. According to the slain footballer's brother Senzo Meyiwa, who spoke to the Daily Sun publication, said that they have been eagerly waiting for the day the Kumalos take the witness stand. Senzo said that Zandi is getting caught up in her web of lies. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.